No, me. Me.
Hey, it's mine then. It's mine.
No, yours. Daddy and mine. Daddy and mine. My daddy.
But I was here first.
My daddy.
I was here first.
My daddy. I'm doing. Stop.
He's mine.
He's mine.
But I love him.
I love him too.
He's mine. He's mine.
Daddy, am I a sweetie?
Yes, you're my sweetie. Come here.
Daddy married me.
Yeah, but I want to marry Daddy.
Why?
Because they want to cuff him.
Oh, he's a very great guy. He's the best guy that I know.
I love you too, Arya.
You can't marry Daddy. Well, we can pretend. Do you want to pretend?
Yeah.
Okay.